Hey guys, so for this behind the scene video, you can see we are using a very simple light setup. The main light is a butterfly light setup, where I have two JL lights. One is held by the tripod and the other one is held by my assistant photographer. You can see this smoke machine pumping smoke into the background just to create some atmosphere in the background. All this is just to create depth of field and get amazing results. I'll be sharing the final image at the end of this very short behind the scene tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to this channel because I'll be putting out more detailed behind the scene videos, and also make sure you like this video, and in the comment section you can ask questions concerning my camera brand, my choice of lens. You can ask about any question you have in general from this video. You can ask me in the comment section so I can attend to you individually. And if there's a suggestion, there's a problem you have in photography, there's an aspect of photography you want me to discuss, please let me know in the comment section so that I'll discuss that, make a detailed video on that for you. Also, for those of you that wonder how I edit my image, you can see I have so many tutorial videos in the channel, so check the link in the description for the auto fix effect, which is a one-click retouching action I use to retouch my images. If you watch previous videos, you see me use them. If you haven't seen how I demonstrate using them, you can check other videos on the channel. Just click on the channel and check for videos of how I edit my images to come out clean and beautiful. Also, if you look at this image, you can see I'm trying to direct the subject. Three most important aspects of taking studio portraits. One is the lighting, the second is directing, like the photographer directing the model, and lastly is the background and the environment, that is the background majorly. So these are the three very important things when you're taking a studio portrait. And also your camera setting. What camera mode do you shoot on? I shoot in the manual mode. So let me know the camera mode you shoot on in the comment section and why you shoot on that camera mode. The camera settings will be displayed on the screen. If they are not, check the pinned comment or the description. I'm going to display everything there. I'm happy to be part of a creative journey. See you in another amazing video.